Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Dr. Dinesh Bhakkar and my channel name is also as same. You are requested to subscribe my channel. Now I am showing you my stock market presentation at my orientation program in the year 2012 at North Bengal University, Darjeeling. So let's begin. Just consider it's like a journey. It's starting from stock exchange and we will to destinate up to F&O. You might be heard about the stock exchange, you have knowledge about this, but I am sure I will definitely give some unknown information that will really be helpful. So, in between this journey, there are so many destinations that will be pass through. That is, maybe SEBI, it might be DMAT, NSE, BSE, the important junction between this journey, intraday, and last but not least the important one, F&O. Okay? So have a look between these slides. Primary market, I am starting with primary market, the constitution of the business. There are basically three types of this constitution. We know proprietary, partnership and private limited company. So we will concentrate on private limited company. So all we know, once company has established, so company has established in India in 1956 as per Company Act 1956, and after the establishment of a company required might be sometimes additional capital for their machinery, also for their extra productive unit also, and so many reasons are there. But there are so many options for the acquiring the additional capital. These options are find partner, capital saved, foreign direct investment, but we will concentrate on the important one, invite public. The invite public is very much important because the company is gathering fund from the direct public, general public, and this is called IPO, initial public offer. A company is established as per Company Act 1956 and want required some additional capital. He launched IPO, invitation of application from the investor public to invest in its business and becoming its partner for share profit and loss. And there is a simple procedure for gathering, installing IPO, launching IPO. Company has to file proposal to SEBI and RBI. These are two regulatory bodies, and put some information about the number of share which he want to sell, category of the investor, price band, date of issue, close date of the IPO. Other the formalities are there, and after granting the permission from RBI and SEBI, the company can get the money from public also with the help of this is the mediator is there, broker, that we can easily call broker. The broker, distribution company, depository, these also play an important role in stock exchange. Depository, there are two main depositories in India, that is NSDL and CDSL. We will further discuss on that. So after getting the permission and launching of IPO, company get money from the public, and there are two exchanges in India for stock exchange. BSE established in 1986, NSE established in 1991. So National Stock Exchange, depositories, there are two depositories, CDSL, Central Depository Services Limited, National Depositories, National Security Depositories Limited. So these are two depositories. Secondary market, all we know, BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, has Sensex. The Sensex is an index. An index is basically an indicator. It gives you to general idea about whether the most stock of company give gone up or most stock of the company gone down. It's just an indicator, shows how the stocks of the BSE and NSE goes up or goes down. The Sensex is the indicator. All major companies of BSE. There are 30 major companies in BSE that we can categorize A category company, and the 30 companies indicator. If the Sensex goes up, if it means that the prices of the stock of most the major companies of BSE has gone up. If the Sensex goes down, it tells you that the stock of the most major companies of BSE have gone down. The Nifty is an indicator of major companies of NSE, National Stock Exchange, and the major companies of Nifty is 50. The number of the companies change. In BSE there is 30 and in NSE Nifty there is 50 companies. So quite look some 30 basic companies of Sensex. It has the sector is also mentioned there. Some steel, oil and gas, finance, banking. So other different so many sectors in it. So now we will move our second important part, that is secondary market. So once we have the idea about the IPO, and the once IPO launched and company has listed on BSE and NSE, it will maybe frequent and anyone can buy or sell share through secondary market through broker. A broker, an individual proprietor partnership, he can anyone, and he is a, but important thing is that he is a member of CDSL, NSCL or both. Investor, open trading and demat account. Demat, we will also look the demat, very important thing. Demat means dematerialization. Okay, so demat account, in order to do transaction in BSE through broker, one on behalf of the broker performs trading operation and many such operations which are necessary for client to deal in stock markets. We already know stock market, BSE, NSE, and with the two depositories, one broker can help the investor. So now trading is important segment in secondary market. If an investor want to earn profit by selling of some share, want to buy some new share, he can came through BSE and NSE. We will move forward to dematerialization. Dematerialization is very important, because in some few years ago, the dematerialization service was not there. So how investor do with the without demat? They just apply to the company, buy share, and company will issue a share certificate. Suppose one person want to sell his share, it is so difficult at that stage, because selling of share is so difficult. He has to endorse so many long procedure. But after the dematerialization, it's heard in 1990. After the dematerialization is nothing but it's just keeping your share in electronic format. Dematerialization. So now we will move the types of trading. The last segment of my present seminar, types of trading. The first type, intraday. Intraday, when some share are sold, bought first and then sold. We can also sell first and then buy also. Intraday, same day before closing the market, we can sell first and buy, then it's also considered, and we can buy and thereafter sell it's also considered intraday, called speculation, day trading. So in intraday, loss goes to the exchange and profit comes to the client through broker. Broker is the mediator there, and the rate of brokerage is 0.05. Okay, so for buy and sell for anything. Okay, so now the delivery. So once investor purchase share and not sell today, okay, that's converted into the delivery and goes to the depositories, that is through demat. That share goes to the demat and he will get the dividend for that after some period. Okay, so when share bought and same share are not sold before the closing of market, it converts into delivery. So delivery, there are two main thing, auction and close out. I will further discuss. When share bought, these are the chart and these are the rates. Now we will move the last segment, F&O, future and option. This is very important thing. F&O is a type of speculation. It's just like an intraday trading instrument where an investor can do trading of specific amount of shares, specific amounts. specific lot is there. Suppose I want to buy or sell Reliance Industry, I have to put a lot only. 50 share, 20 share, just lot and decided by the NSE and F&O just done by NSE only, not in BSE. Bombay Stock Exchange doesn't provide this facility. F&O facility is provided by NSE only. So future is different, option is maybe different, option is also different. In future segment, so finally I conclude. No delivery of share of the company can be done in F&O. No delivery. There is just he can carry his position before the last Thursday of that month trading. In F&O, investor trade buy share as per the pre-determined exchange, pre-decided quantity, that called lot. And the third one, you can clear the position before the Thursday. Okay. So this is my presentation. Thank you.
Important things, but one thing I would like to know, you are from which place?
Maharashtra.
You have presented the data on Siliguri.
Yeah, I got based on marketing management, but with the permission of director, I have presented the.
Yeah, no problem. But you have done fieldwork here.
Yeah,
so I do appreciate being fieldwork. It's a very good important thing, and because basically based on real facts, that should be appreciated. And one more important thing, I have analyzed nicely, but one important consumer behavior is a very complex factor.
It's dynamic. Businessman has to continue.
They are also complex factor. So very nice. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. So once again, I thank all of you for cooperating with me, and because the task was assigned to me to complete the 12 presentation, so I have done it. But one thing I must say that yes, there was a little bit interruption because in between the class. So we have taken only 1 hour additional class rather.